10 tips for getting accepted into Amazon Merch on Demand. Before we get to the tips, I want to quickly walk through the application. To sign up for a merch account, go to merch.amazon.com. Once there, you'll want to click on a tab that says Sign Up. Then you will have to sign into your Amazon account, or you can create one. After this, it'll take you to the services agreement, which you'll have to accept. In the following page, you will provide your contact, banking, and tax information. Choose individual or corporation. Fill out information such as your address and phone. Use the same email as your Amazon account. You will need to provide your bank account so they will know where to pay you. You can add banking information from multiple international countries. Provide your account and routing numbers and you will be set up for sales across Amazon marketplaces. They also need your social security number or other tax identification number from your country for tax purposes. On the next page, there are 3 sections you will need to fill out. The first drop-down menu asks for industry type. Unless otherwise, I would choose novelty t-shirt business. If you're using a company name, select small business. The next menu is organization name. Here you will enter your personal name or business name. And the next box for additional information may be the most important part of the application. This is where you can include all of the relevant information that shows Amazon you have experience and are familiar with the program. Here are the 10 tips for what to write in the additional information section to get accepted. Number 1. You want to tell them who you are and if you have any professional experience or education in e-commerce, marketing, art, or any other relevant field. This shows them that you have some familiarity with selling online or designing. Number 2. Explain how you will be marketing your shirts. If you will promote on social media, a website, or will use advertising, let them know. This shows them that you are thinking about how to actually sell the shirts. If you are familiar with Amazon ads, mention this as well. Number 3. If you have graphic design or illustration experience, you want to write it in the application. Explain how you will make your designs if you have a plan for this. Number 4. Tell them that you know what types of designs sell on Amazon based on your research. Get familiar with the design style, fonts, and overall aesthetic that sells on the website so you can properly design for this once your account gets approved. Number 5. If you have an audience on social media, let them know. This will help because they will know that you will be able to market your merch to your followers and make sales. Number 6. Show Amazon you can make them money while also keeping them safe by knowing and promising to follow the content policy. Amazon does not want sellers who will break the rules and do things like upload prohibited content. Number 7. Specifically, you want to show them that you understand the copyright and trademark policy. Before applying, I suggest you learn what is allowed and not allowed on the marketplace. Number 8. Let Amazon know if you have any specific print-on-demand experience. Provide any sales statistics you can point to that shows them you have sold shirts. If you sell on Redbubble, TeePublic, or Etsy, let them know and link it. Number 9. To show them that you are prepared and ready to go if you are approved, let them know that you have designs ready to upload. You should start researching and preparing designs immediately after you complete this application. Number 10. Try to fill out this box with all the characters allowed or as much information as you can. This is your opportunity to stand out from the other applicants, so express your enthusiasm, proactive attitude, and factual knowledge about the platform. On the website box, you want to add a link to a website that shows your store or artwork portfolio. You can add a link to your print-on-demand websites like Redbubble and TeePublic, but make sure your sites do not have copyrighted content, as this can work against you. Proofread your application, double-check for any mistakes, and press Submit to finish. It can take days to weeks to months to get a response. While you wait, you can download the design templates and learn about the tier system. If you get rejected or have been rejected, just apply again with this information in the video. Keep on trying because it is absolutely worth it. Thank you for watching.